How to add a user to the WIDA Secure Portal. After watching this video, you will be able to add a new user to the WIDA Secure Portal. After the addition of a new user to the WIDA Secure Portal, the user will be able to access valuable information provided by the WIDA Consortium. This includes information on test preparation, administration and post-testing resources, training courses, user account management, and other valuable resources. It is important to note that if the person you are intending to create an account for has previously had a WIDA Secure Portal account, that they do not need a new account created for them. If they forget their username or password, they will need to contact WIDA Client Services at 866-276-7735 or by emailing at help@wida.us. First, access the WIDA Secure Portal by typing in the following address. Select the blue login icon in the upper right-hand corner of the WIDA website. Next, select the site you wish to visit. In this case, you will select WIDA Secure Portal from the drop-down menu and select the blue login icon. Enter your username and password and select the blue login button. This should bring you to the WIDA Secure Portal landing page. Once you have successfully logged in, under the heading My Accounts and Secure Portal, you will find a light blue icon with the words Account Creator. Select this icon. Note that you will need some personal information for users you are intending to create an account for. This information includes first and last name, organization email, position title, district and school name. When prompted, add the new user personal information under Contact Information and what WIDA Secure Portal features you would like the new user to have. Select the Create My Account icon. Once you select the Create My Account icon, an email will be sent to the email address you listed. The new user should receive an email notification to set up their WIDA Secure Portal account shortly after you have submitted your request to create the account.